Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. The past few days, actually, I say like the past 2 weeks, all I've been doing is detailing the motor and engine bay. The engine bay is a lot cleaner. I'm really surprised at how nice it came out. I even touched up the hood a little bit. It's not the best, but it's way better than what it was before. Woo! The engine's nice and shiny. The transmission is okay. We got a bunch of parts laying everywhere. I detailed a bunch of like brackets and whatnot. I didn't even know that this was gray. Like I thought this bracket was black like these. So when I started cleaning it up, it turned silver and I was like, yo, what the heck? That's crazy. But yo, I'm freaking burnt out on cleaning, man. This was such a long process. Like I said, it took about 2 weeks. And I'm just ready to get the motor back in the lube. There's only a couple more things I need to do before I put the engine back in the lube. First, we need to paint the valve cover. Then I'm gonna have to put the motor down and install the clutch and flywheel kit, install the transmission, hook up the wiring harness. And besides that, I think we're all good. Engine bay looks really clean. It's just been way too long. The engine's been done for like almost 2 weeks now, and all I've been doing is cleaning. So I'm just ready to start driving the lube again, man. But shoot, I got the valve cover stripped down to bare metal, and let's go ahead and paint it. Woo! I posted a poll on Instagram on which color I should paint the valve cover, and it was almost a unanimous decision. Everyone wants me to paint it red, yo. And I'm not against it. I really want it as well, but I just feel like it's overplayed. Like the JDM H22 comes with a wrinkle red valve cover already, so I feel like I don't really want to go that route because it already comes like that OEM, you know? And so with that being said, I'm going with this color. I know it's black and white right now, but can you guess what this is? Obviously it's not red, or is it? Pause the video real quick and comment down below what you think this color is. I think it's gonna turn out really nicely, and for the future plans I have for the engine bay, it's gonna be a nice setup. Yeah. Ooh, oh man, I messed up so much. All right, so the valve cover is just gonna be chilling over here for, I guess, the next few days or so. It says it should take 7 days to cure. That's a long time. I guess we're ready to put everything back together. I was about to do the valve adjustment on the engine, but I realized I can't do it without the timing components installed. So I guess it's about that time we start reassembling everything and maybe get the motor put in today. Yeah. But alright, yo, this is it. Time for the engine reassembly. Yeah.